What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are cutting on. So today I want to help go over how we come up with our quotes to doing most jobs. As you can see, this job requires mulch, and also we're going to do what is called Pinestraw installation. So first thing we do is we go out on the property. We make sure we videotape everything and take some pictures before we even get there. So this before the quote is even approved by the client. We just do this walkthrough video. So if we get it, they'll know exactly what it is or type of work they're supposed to be doing. I got this from Mike Andes. He's also shared that with me, and I think that's a great idea to do it. So in this case, we have it where we're going to put mulch on both sides of the sidewalk. On the other side, we're putting it around this bed right here. And one of the things that I quoted to make sure the client know is that sometimes when you have roots, the roots you can't use what is called a hard edge. So mulch is going in this area as well. Mulch right in the area and like a little island around it. And then we're putting pine straw alongside of those bushes, and also we're gonna edge the wooded area with pine straw. So we had to come up with a quote for all of this, and basically it can be overwhelming, especially for new people trying to come up with an idea. So what I've done is created a template, and as you can see in the template, I describe what it is that first off, the tools that is needed for a job like this. So that lets you know how much time things are going to take if you know the tools. Also, I put a allotted time for my guys, how long it should take if it's 3 men versus 4. And then I have a breakdown of what they should do at the job site. So in this case, always start your time as soon as you get there, take your pictures, clean your beds out, install the hard edge for your flower beds, put down your pre-emergent weed blocker, and then we install the 80 bags of red mulch. And after that, we went ahead and installed the 20 bales of pine straw. One of the things that you are going to be able to see is when you look at your square feet all together, I do my square feet, I add it all up, and then from the square feet, I'm able to put in what is called a mulch calculator, and I pretty much double my price, and I add some extra bags in. So I definitely go to Home Depot and get the bags of mulch. I don't do that part where you're going to be hauling this stuff around. Nah, I cut that out, and I just go ahead and do the bags of mulch. So once I do that, I also include in how long I think it's going to take me to do my hard edge. I charge $1 a linear foot for my hard edge, and so if it's 100 linear feet, it's $100. So that's how I come up with my prices for my hard edge. When it comes to the pine straw, same thing, based upon square feet. I just double my price, add a little extra in. So after you do all that, after you add all your prices up, and I'm talking about just for your labor, what you are able to do is see from all that added up, your hourly rate, and then that tells you how long it should take you to get the job done. See if you can meet that based upon what you quoted. And if you can't meet it over and over and over, first thing you want to do is see if it's user error or something that you're doing on your end. Is your guys going too slow, or the fact that you may not have, your guys are not comfortable doing it yet. As time goes on, they'll speed up because they know exactly what it is they need to do for those jobs. Or at the other thing will be is what you'll do is increase your price. And you don't want to do it too much. You don't want to increase too much because a lot of people are not used to paying a certain amount. So that's what I did. Now also I add a video. So when the guys go out, they can go to YouTube and pull up the video. This video is a private video, but it's linked to my guys. They are able to go and take a look at it. As you can see right here, this was a video that we shot before doing the job. So when they come out, they know exactly what to do. So hopefully this will give you a better idea of what we charge. So this job with everything, material and labor, came in around $1,100. So I think our profit margin was somewhere around like $680. And we did go over the time that was allotted. But the good thing about it is that once you got something in place, you can work towards making it better. All right. Hope you like the footage. And as always, cut on lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.